Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you some hacks that will make your life easy if you want to achieve that perfect winged eyeliner look. So yeah guys, I know the trouble is real. When I first started to do winged eyeliner, I was also clueless, and it took me a lot of practice to achieve that perfect winged eyeliner look. But I also use some hacks that I'm going to show you that worked very well for me, and I hope it will work well for you too. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any hack. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. To begin with, I am just going to show you like how you can get a rough idea of how your winged eyeliner should go. So I already have winged eyeliner created, and so this will make you easy to understand. So yeah, what I'll do, I'll take a brush, any brush for that matter. The brush should be thin so that you get perfect area, and I'll put it like this. So you can see like here it's the ending of my nostril, and here ending of my eyebrows, and I'll place it so you can see my winged eyeliner is perfect. And similarly this side. So after you get the idea where your winged eyeliner should go, then you can start. So let's begin with the hack. For the first hack, I'm taking a card, or you can take any thick paper for that matter. Also, here I'm using a felt tip eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner with which you feel comfortable. Now hold it against your eyes in the diagonal and apply your eyeliner using this card as your guideline. With this hack, any extra line would go on your card and you will get a perfect wing line. Here for this look, I want a dramatic winged eyeliner, so I've taken my eyeliner a little far, following my eyes. You can do as per your liking. With this, you will achieve a perfect straight edge to your wing. Now, you can move back in and fill any gaps that might have occurred, like this. Also, if I'm not that happy with the wing edge, then I can correct it, and that I'm going to show you in my third hack. Now I'll start with the inner part of my eyes, filling the middle part,
and then taking it to the outer corner of my eyes, connecting the edges just like this. And you can see I'm almost done with the winged eyeliner on my first eye.
Second hack I'm going to show on my other eye. For this, I'm taking same felt tip eyeliner. I will place it diagonally and flick it to create that winged edge. After creating the wing edge, I'll just repeat the process of putting eyeliner as I did on my first eyes. Also guys, you can use a scotch tape and you can stick it against your eyes diagonally instead of using card that I showed you in my first hack. I'm using a felt tip eyeliner here, but you can use any eyeliner like liquid or gel based eyeliner for achieving this look. If you want, I can do a tutorial on the same. Like, you can leave the comments below and I can show you how to achieve that. Anyways, I'm almost done to achieve that winged eyeliner look with minor mistakes to that perfect look that I'm going to correct in my further hack. For correcting any minor mistake that I did, I'm taking a Q-tip, a makeup remover, and I'm dipping my Q-tip in the makeup remover. Now, I'll take this Q-tip and I'll clean those edges which I think is messy. So you can see how easily it came off in my Q-tip. And as Q-tip is having a thin edge, so it's very easy to work with it and remove any extra lines that you might have got while creating that winged eyeliner. So now you can see my winged eyeliner look perfect.
Fourth hack is also how I can clean up my mess. For this, I am taking an angled eyeliner brush, a foundation that I normally use. Now I'm taking a pinch of my foundation, and then just to show you guys, I'm creating a mess around my eyeliner just to show you how I can clean it with this hack. Now I'll apply foundation on my angular brush. I can also use my concealer brush for that, but here I'm going with my angular brush, and you can see that how easy it is to apply foundation and cover up all my mistake with this angular eyeliner brush. Also girls, here I am using a foundation to clean my mess, but you can go with a concealer or BB CC cream, whatever you find handy. So yeah, it's a perfect winged eyeliner. Now moving to fifth hack. For this I am taking my liquid eyeliner. So what I am going to do is I'll apply this liquid eyeliner all over my already created winged eyeliner look. So what this will do is it will give me that jet black eyeliner look that I crave for. It also gives that velvety finish that I personally love. So girls, do try this and let me know if you loved it and it worked for you girls in the comment box below.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comments box that if you tried it and it really worked for you. I'll be eager to know that. And yeah, so till the next video, it's a bye. So see you soon guys. Love you. Bye bye.